The manufacturer connection is recognized as a symbiotic relationship between designers, product manufacturers, and land effects. We are the only company that has created a specialized tool for manufacturer products to be browsed and added instantaneously within the CAD platform. This unprecedented tool better connects your company and products to designers, and such exclusive and unique functionality give us immense pride in the work we do. Every manufacturer has a different way of developing their product resources, giving us unique challenges in categorizing and standardizing the content we provide. Because of this, the work we do to streamline the process from product selection down to CAD block creation is absolutely critical. We scour product catalogs to make sure products will fit into the software's functionality. We input the data into our system so it links seamlessly to the CAD platform. And we recreate blocks, models, and installation details so they match our incredibly high standards. This allows for a seamless transition between design phases, making visualization and specification effortless. All of this culminates in tens, if not hundreds of hours of work for each manufacturer we set up. But we do this so that manufacturers get to reap the benefits of extremely high CAD standards that is also valued by a highly motivated design community. With a continually growing user base and no two projects alike, manufacturers get more and more opportunities to have their products specified. Becoming an active voice within our community by joining as a guest webinar presenter, manufacturers get further opportunities to connect directly with industry professionals and university students during highly relevant and educational live presentations. We create, for all manufacturer partners, an online client profile, allowing us to showcase companies and their relationship with land effects. Within those profiles, we provide resources that will help designers learn more about you and how to specify your products. Overall, manufacturer products become part of a more efficient design process simply because they're easier to place and specify in a design.